Alright, so I have a 2001 Ford Ranger here, and it's a single cab. And the issue is they have these little roof moldings or cab corner covers or whatever you want to call it. I've heard roof moldings or roof trim. And anyway, there's a little strip that goes right here and it broke off. You can see what's left. They had these little plastic threaded pieces. And so actually both sides have ripped off of there. So we're just going to kind of cheat the trim down on the inside here and get those replaced. First thing we gotta do is fold and slide the seat here. And if you look back in here, you can see we need to get this seat belt cover removed. And that piece is kind of buried like right back in here. So we're gonna take this little trim clip off and then down here as well. Okay, so I'm gonna take the seat belt down quick. All right, so this is cheated out now. I have access to those little bolts. This little piece goes over the, it's the slider for the seat belt. You need to take that out. So I'm gonna get in here with a 9mm and a ratchet. All right, so here's the part. These can be paint matched, of course, but you can't match this paint really anymore. This is that color that from Ford that fades quite a bit. If you look at the color inside versus the color outside, it fades out. So it would be tough to paint match. It would look kind of goofy, but conveniently there is black trim all over this truck. And so anyway, we're going to just put them up as black. And I think a lot of people will probably do that. But if you wanted to paint them, go ahead and paint them. But anyway, if you look on the back here, the part number, it says whatever the part number is, and then RH. So that's the right-hand one. That's the one that goes on the passenger side, and they are different. So anyway, you just leave the little foam piece right here. You can see the witness mark from the old one. And you go and you shove this in here behind the rear window trim. There you go. And now we'll go on the inside and we'll tighten it up. From this angle, maybe you can see a little bit better. But basically you get up in there and there is one of the studs and the other one is like right around the corner right there. So you can see both those two chilling right there. So you just, on the inside, you just need the nut to seal against there and pull all this down. All right, so as we peek in here, basically there's the one nut tightened up and there's the other one back there. And yeah, that's a pretty easy job. We'll just kind of slap this thing back together. Also, to release this top part of the trim, you do have to pull this down one click. You can see how that clips in one. I didn't even take the second one loose there, so we just took the first little clip loose, and there we go. So we're gonna kind of toss this back together real quick. All right, well there you have it. Everything's put back together. Nothing broke, no clips or anything weird happened there. And got all of our little push pin deals back in there. And then as for the outside, kind of what we care about, that sure looks nice. A little bit strange because it's black, but like I say, I don't think anybody's really gonna notice too much. Better than this other side, which was pretty well screwed up. And that's what we were dealing with at the beginning. So anyway, nice improvement for what is basically an old pickup now. And I'll just work on this other side. Same thing. Thanks for watching.